are red, carrots orange, lemons are yellow, string beans are green, blueberries are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet. Well, that's a flower, you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Colors are everywhere, you can see it. Colors were made for you and me. Roses are red, pumpkins orange, the sun is yellow, the grass is green, the sky is blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet. Well, that's a flower, you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Colors are everywhere, you can see it. Colors were made for you and me. Cherries are red, yams are orange, corn is yellow, peas are green, blue jays are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet. Well, that's a flower, you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Now sing it! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Again! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. And violet are the colors of the rainbow. Everywhere you look, everywhere you see, colors make the world a beautiful place to be.
Monster trucks, time to start your engines and get ready to race! And 3, 2, 1, go! They're off to a flying start! These trucks must be late for playtime. They're already at record speed! And over the first jump, what color truck is that? Red! Which color is next? Yellow! And which color truck is next across the jump? Green! That was flipping excellent!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Whoa! He caught the wheelie!
Yes!
I just about fell off my chair! Which color truck is that? Orange!
Yahoo!
Yeah!
Yippee!
Whoa! The boys better watch out!
Yeah!
Which color is that? Pink!
Yes! Wahoo! Woohoo! Yippee!
It's incredible! They're really fighting for the lead!
Yeah!
Which color truck is this now? Purple!
Yippee! Yahoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Flying like a jumbo jet!
Wahoo!
Which color is this speedy truck? Blue! Look at him showing off!
Yay!
They're almost at the finish line! Hold on to your hats, folks! This one's going down in the history books!
Woohoo!
As they cross the finish line, let's give these brilliant trucks a big cheer! Shout out their colors to let them know how awesome they are! Here we go! Blue!
Yippee!
Yellow! Red!
Awesome!
massive congratulations to all our winners! And sitting pretty in first place is Blue!
Yay!
Coming up just a shade behind in second, Yellow! Our talented third place is going to Red!
Blue is the color of our great big sky.
Yippee!
Purple balloons for a party nearby.
Yeah!
Green is the grass.
Yippee!
Yellow is the moon. Tomatoes are red. Pink flowers in June. Look at the orange and brown carousel. White snow falls and covers the hills.
Yeah!
Black is the night. It gets hard to see. Perfect for rest and getting some sleep. The trucks want to take a colorful spin. Their engines have started. It's time to begin. They'll crush each color, one by one. Practice makes perfect,
Yeah!
so come join the fun. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down.
Yeah!
The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose.
Oops!
Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud.
Yeah!
Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow.
Ta-da!
The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
The trucks love colors and performing for you.
Great job!
So they'll do it again, all the way through. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down. The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes. The orange truck flips right onto his nose. Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud. Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Woohoo!
Practice makes perfect, as you will soon see.
Yeah!
Let's watch them perform at great record speed. Blue pounds the letters, squishing each one. Purple is next and won't stop till he's done. The green truck always knows just what to do. The yellow one smashes them 2 by 2. Red truck has got her squashing just right. The orange truck pounces with all of his might. Pink mastered crushing. She's having a blast. Brown goes backwards when she goes past. White takes his turn, and there's one more to go. Black hits each letter and knocks them down low. So, let's review the colors, beginning with blue. Purple, green, yellow, red, and orange too. Now, don't forget pink, brown, white, and black. I think you have got it. It's time to relax. The monster trucks have finished their colorful show. You have learned 10 colors. Yes,
Yeah!
10 in a row. Practice makes perfect, as you already know. Never give up, and you'll be the star of the show.